Welcome back to another long-awaited episode of Prime Catch Cooks. I am joined by Lola and a bunch of my ingredients. So today I am going to bring you step by step on how to make Nutella hot chocolate. So all you Nutella lovers can try this out. So we got milk, vanilla extract, cocoa powder. Of course we have our Nutella. I am going to be using syrup. I'll get back to that in a second, and a little bit of salt. Now with the maple syrup, you can also use maple brown sugar. Usually I do, but I currently don't have brown sugar. So that will be my substitute for today. First things first, got our pan. Get the pan on the stove. We actually have a new stove now too, if you could look at that. Yeah, new stove. Let's fucking go. Oh, not supposed to say that. So, got the pan on. Put it on medium heat. Gonna add 1.5 cups milk. 1 spoonful of cocoa powder. A little bit of vanilla extract in there. Small dash of maple. Either brown sugar or syrup, I don't care. Dash of salt. And of course, last but not least, I gotta put this down for a second. Last but not least, a big heaping spoonful of Nutella, and then I'm just gonna Now after you have everything, pick up your colorful whisk, just whisk it up. Once you start whisking, it should take about 4 to 5 minutes, or until what should start to look like hot chocolate starts to foam at the top. Once it foams, you can let it sit for about I'm gonna say maybe half a minute, and then it should be good to go. Alright, so once it starts to steam kind of like that, and you start seeing the foam on it, should be done. Put your whisk in. Pick your hot chocolate up, and pour that sucker into your glass. Feel free to add any additional accessories such as hot chocolate, whipped cream. For me, I don't have either, so I'm just going to use my straw. And enjoy. A little hot. But fucking good. Highly recommend. If you like this recipe or just like the video in general, please leave a like. Remember to turn your burner off. And please enjoy. Let me know how this comes out if you make it. So thank you for watching. Hope you enjoy. Catch y'all next time.